y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. In today's video I'll be doing a hair install slash review. This video is all about Bobbi Boss and their Carmela style wig from Divatress.com. All the hair details will be listed down below. If you are new to my channel, my name is Keyerakaye. I typically make videos based on beauty, lifestyle, editing, and pretty much whatever comes up in my life. If you're returning back to my channel, then you already knew that. Welcome back. Thanks for coming back to watch my videos. But before we get into this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the notifications turned on because you don't want to miss any uploads from me. I'm not going to hold y'all up too much. Let's go ahead and get into this video so I can let you. So this is a Bobbi Boss lace front wig in the style Carmela. The color that I'm wearing is TT1B-DX216. This is a 13x4 Swiss lace ear-to-ear natural hairline with free parting. This is also a human hair blend, tangle-free, shed-free, and also easy to manage. So I also want y'all to see like the parting and everything like that. As you can see, I believe the knots are really dark. Honestly, I'm nervous, y'all, because I feel like it's not about to match my hairline. Like my cap is all the way right here. Ooh, girl, stop then. Okay, as long as my cap is covered, sis is about to have to go in and pluck to the gods because, honey, no, we're not doing this. So I can already tell just by looking at the wig that I'm gonna have to pluck some of these hairs to kind of make like a natural hairline. Because it's not as natural as they described it, because it's pretty harsh. Like you really can't see any spaces like to see your natural scalp. So I am gonna have to like pluck away some hairs. And I'm also gonna be using this lace tint right here. So that's what you're gonna see me doing here in a second. I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck some hairs away and then spray the lace tint to pretty customize it to the way I want it. Alright y'all, so I did start off plucking with a tweezer, but it was kind of hard, so I just decided to go ahead and pluck each strand with my hand, and it was way easier. I don't know if it's because it's synthetic or because of the knots, but it just made it a little bit easier for me, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just pretty much taking small little pieces and pulling it out. I did get into some sections where I plucked a little bit too much hair, but I did try to move away super quick because I didn't want to have holes in my lace, but that is just what I'm doing right here. This is how much hair I've plucked so far. I'm going to show y'all kind of like a comparison. You can kind of tell the difference already. I have a lot more to go, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll be back on camera once that's done. As you can tell, like it's getting a little bit thinner on this side compared to that side. So I'm just going to continue to pluck away little pieces of hair at a time, I guess, and then I'll be back. I did pluck this much hair from the wig. And cut the hairline. So I went ahead and pulled my wig back just a little bit so I can go ahead and start applying the glue. And I'm going to be using Amaslaya Bay gummy glue and extra gummy. And I'm going to do it in sections, so I'm going to do this middle section and then whichever side I decide to do. So now I'm just pulling out small pieces of hair along the hairline, and then I'm going to cut them like really, really small, fine, and thin to start creating my baby hair. Now using this foaming lotion, I'm just using this to prep my baby hairs and kind of place them where I want them to be before I apply my Got2b gel. I'm using my Got2b gel to set everything in place. I'm just placing a little bit of the Got2b on the baby hairs that's already prepped, and then brushing that out or into the baby hair just to make sure everything is set. So now I'm just going to begin styling my hair. So I did decide to do a middle part because this is a 13x4 frontal, and I feel like the parting isn't deep enough for me to do like a deep side part, so I just decided to stick with a middle part. And also the lace around the ears, it wasn't as flat as I wanted it to be, so that's why I didn't do a side part or like a push behind the ear kind of look. So on here I'm just like flat ironing and making sure everything is, or not flat ironing, hot combing to make sure everything is nice and secure and nice and sleek. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this unit. I do have some pros and some cons about the unit. Not too many cons, but I did just want to state the things that were kind of bothering me throughout this whole install. The first con that I have would be the hairline. I know it says like a natural hairline, but honestly, I plucked away a lot of hair and it still doesn't seem like I plucked away enough hair, if that makes sense. Also, I feel like the knots were super, super dark. Even when I sprayed the lace tint, it did not tint as good as I wanted it to. And also for like a full ear to ear, maybe my head is just big, but honestly I don't feel like it's laying as flat as I need it to. Right up in there, you know, you see like right in there, like it looks very wiggish. So that is like a couple cons that I have about the hair. Other than that, my pros about this hair is it's very soft. The curl pattern is banging. The style of this wig by itself is just banging. No shedding. There wasn't any shedding on this hair until I start plucking this hair. Let's start there. So that is a plus. This hair does not have like a chemically synthetic-y smell to it, and that is another pro for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you leave some comments down below on this video or any videos you want to see from me. Like I said, all the hair details will be listed down below where you can purchase this hair from Divatress.com. So I have a direct link to this unit. Again, I am wearing the Bobbi Boss wig in the style Carmela, and again the color that I'm wearing is TT1B-DX216, and that also will be listed down below. Also, if you haven't watched last week's video on my other wig install, make sure you go ahead and check that out. I will clip that above so you guys can go ahead and check that out, and I will see y'all in the next video.